The Mother's Tears and the Lamb. A Muslim mother lost her only son, who was martyred in the path of Allah. She cried day and night, her heart filled with pain and loneliness. One day, she fell asleep and saw a dream. In a beautiful garden, many children were walking with bright lamps in their hands. Among them was her son, but his lamp was not burning. She ran to him and asked, "My dear son, why is your lamp dark? I cry for you every day." The son smiled gently and said, "Mother, your tears have put out my light. Your crying gives me no peace. If you want my lamp to shine again, pray for me, not cry for me." The mother woke up in tears and prayed, "O Allah, forgive me. Bless my son with eternal light." From that day, she stopped crying and began praying. She finally understood. Martyrs never die. They live in the presence of their Lord.